Welcome guys. In this video, I will be telling you about how you can play Android games on any of your devices, whether it is Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Chrome OS, etc. So, let's begin. So the way you can play all the games without any emulator on PC is by using BlueStacks X. But what is BlueStacks X? So, BlueStacks X is the world's first cloud-based Android gaming service that lets you play games on any of your devices without having to download them. And every week, new games are added to BlueStacks X. You don't need a gaming console, gaming PC or an additional controller for BlueStacks X. Games will be streamed directly from the cloud to your screens, allowing you to play anywhere with high-speed internet access. You can play amazing games with BlueStacks X in any of the following ways. Play on your PC or Mac. Play on your Android phone, iPhone, or iPad. Play by downloading the BlueStacks X desktop app on your PC. So, now the question is, how can I get BlueStacks X? You can get BlueStacks X by simply going to the website xbluestacks.com to play games directly on your browser, or you can also download BlueStacks X on your device. It depends on you that whether you want to play on your browser or you want to download BlueStacks X. What are the benefits of BlueStacks X? BlueStacks X allows you to play a game in your browser without being limited by the capability of your device. These games will be streamed directly from the cloud to any of your devices, allowing you to immediately jump into the action without the need of downloading them. And as you can see, currently it is in beta, so that is why you will not see many games here, but when they will release their full version, then definitely you will be able to see some next level games here. And now the question arises, when they will release their full version? So, they will take about 4 to 5 months to release its full version. That's all I got for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want a video on any topic, just drop a comment below.